So man, I say, I'm going to link up na premium film. So as you can see, the back garage, and don't call it a Maria Uber because first I don't need a petrol. So don't call it a Maria Uber by ATM panapa. And then, yeah, man, as you can see. So stay tuned. So guys, as you can see, that is Rua Mariachi. Yeah, man. New notes.
Oh yeah. Place my car. Oh, praise my God. Le rato le caga. Andre me la manica. Praise my God. Le rato le caga. Andre me la manica. Ah, praise my God. Le rato le caga. Andre me la manica. Yeah, oh yeah. Praise my God. Le rato le caga. Andre me la manica. Amuyeza mutata ai ampona kisabata ai wena undrumela marikan ajiri velo bona yelman ai malvela manambe ay prince bakara busca chava mana garumela ate matibananga chava I wanna praise my cara. Yeah.
Fama. Kudo chilimisa. So guys, tukufanga. Muruto buda sini. Hey, bude ini. Bude ini. Premium. Sponge nyam. Am sponge gini. Gini pau. Am sini sport terus rowan kan push. Awak. Ini si push ya sih. Paling tak kau push aja. I don't go clean. Mafuta. I don't go clean. No beno.
Ndoita kunge benzini newe nerudo wanditaka kare zvaive nani badi zvazonyanya vamwe pavanochema nerudo izu hatizvizive kwedukana raramo yangu ifambi ndisina kukuona andikukereke ndotenda Mwari newe chiuya baby andifenda kuchita iwewe wakakwana andifenda kazvita ndotenda wazvita.
Sick, isn't it? Oh, yeah, we are done now. As you can see, the rooms are so clean. Look at this now. Anyways, look at the background, the view. I mean, there's a billboard there. Yeah. Oh! That's it. So yeah. Now we're starting to pizza pan up. And then yeah, we're completely done. As you can see, the room is nice now. It's clean. Book us guys for painting. To a pizza. So yes, to a pizza now. We are done. Yeah, so you can see. After we are picking to go now. This is the apartment. As you can see. And we had this. So this is the yard. Yeah. The parking. I can lead to garden now. So yeah, let's go home now. So guys, a quick tour. This is the garden. Garden of Chilane is a very, very, very big garden, as you can see. And this is a swimming pool down here. Young pool for chilling with the family, you know what I mean? It's a very, very nice place to do that. It's a quite nice place to do that. As you can see, a well-maintained area. There's a swimming pool. And yeah, man. Down there, you go to another time, swings and stuff. You know what I mean? A family-friendly place. So there's a mall down there. Freeway down there. Yeah, man. So yeah. So guys, I'm not request the Uber. So Raul request I think, but this more guys, a bit of flu. The pin on the channel, but here. Yeah, man. Let's go. Give me my end.
Is coming. We've decided that if life isn't gonna give us bigger and better, then we're gonna give it to ourselves. We're also tired of the ones running this whole thing. Soon there'll be a takeover, a change, a chance. Like we said, something big is coming. And you're
Our knowledgeable and expert staff will offer you friendly advice. Chamberlain, famous for our carnival.
So guys, it's another day, another doula. Look at my hands, guys. I was trying to fix my car. So guys, yeah. Do for another pure. Oh no, my car is having, you know what I mean? It's having some problems, and I'm trying to fix it there, guys. You know what I mean? Because the part itself is costing 950. Let me just say 1,000 rand. Was it's gonna be I think what else is Komare? Hey, this guy. What is Komare delivered, I guess. So after getting the part, but the labor cost the moon. They're gonna come and go 4,000. 4,100 the labor cost to put the part. What they're saying they have to remove the engine and stuff. What. So I think the part that you can see on the screen there, that's the part that cracked. So I'm trying, I know, fix it by myself. I tried to join the pipe in between because a pipe muchipacha chakadambu kecho nekupekera kanga pipe inside the other part of the pipe, and then chavadasa this part kuti paseda my leakages. So that's where I'm coming from, you know, buying this thing kuti paseda my leakages. So hopefully it will work. So I'm risking to drive moteno yakadaro because I don't have a choice, man. From Pambabando Gara kuya kunoku build it when I was saying the thing, it's like, you know, I mean 50 rand or 30 rand depending on the time that so I don't waste 100 rand, you know what I mean. So I had to risk to drive the car kuya Parapa. It's not that far, but to say so yeah, after, you know what I mean, buying this thing, I'm gonna pass through buying Murio again, because no one is gonna come back again here, of course. No one is gonna come back because it's a walking distance as well, like 1 kilometer or something from Bamba to Gara to Tengamrio. So it's definitely a distance which needs a car. So I'm gonna pass through buying Murio. Yeah, man. So make sure you stay tuned and you watch the video until the end. Let's get it. This let's go. I mean, yes, I really miss driving my car. like crazy. I really miss it. I'm tired of InDrive. I'm tired of Bolt and Uber. Sis. You know guys, once one go jara was driver, I was utanga ku request it's very question. It's like, you know what I mean, it's very weird. But anyways, yeah man. Let's go get Mario. Hey guys, but I almost got a point you boy kara ne sadza ne rice here. Guys, what else are you eating going guys in Angwa? I'm tired. What else are you eating besides sadza ne rice here? Jema about the rice. Yeah, maskat sadza mane rumbo sadza mane rice maskat. What else are you eating guys? What else are you eating? Especially man. Amanda nita ne sadza. Guys, let me know in the comment section. What else are you eating, guys? Yeah. One body can go to the that she gonna sue also with a man as Sazaria or rice. So pesa sakunakires. Anyways, guys, maybe I need to get maybe some macaroni or some spaghetti, but I don't like the stuff, man. Guys, what are you eating at your house, guys? Please help me. Let me know. What are you guys eating, man? What's like? I'm tired of sadza. Look guys, how the traffic. Whatever the traffic. Sadza, rice every day. Sadza, rice. Yo. Anyways, nonetheless, let's see what we can do, man. You know what I mean, because look, there's an officer always controlling the car over there. Because you know the taxi drivers, you know them. They always cause commotion everywhere, either in Joburg, Cape Town, or wherever. So the police will be controlling the cars here. Anyways, guys, make sure you stay tuned. And you know what I mean. My shop is just over there. You know what I mean. Get one to take a chi bandanete. Sadza. Anyways, let's get it. So guys, the Pinam Farms too, man. They want to say something different. You know what I mean. Something different, mate. Because I need the sadza. Jaila komana, sadza. Get about try as soon as nothing. I'm actually have to bow sadza, nyama, beef sausage, pork. Komana. I out to there, I don't feel like eating yam. You know what you go eat nas. You know, I say it's make raw boarding. I don't mutinga. But maybe I have to go to Garasna because Chununga Kurara. So, yeah. Late night snacks. I don't know how much it is. But yeah, let me take this one. Yes, late night snacks. We sleep late, but maybe to go down. Okay, this is what we should do today. Zamana, you're going to put under fingers. I'm with a much more scattered. And then this one for tea, of course, kurukutonora. Got another drink, but you know we have to do tea, kurukutonora. And then obvious for cereal as well, because we can't buy fresh milk as well. So guys, it's time to via home now. You know I'm in. Let's go home now. This is what we bought. And now we're coming from the farm store here. So yeah, man. Let's go film. Okay, I'm glad the motivation and notice my problems when I boil up because it's totally empty, like the tank right now for the machine. So yeah, man. So guys, we arrived at home. Unfortunately, I don't know what's wrong with our electric motor. It's opening so damn slow. But yeah, what made us is we're at home right now and we're about to enter inside. You know what I mean? It's opening slow, but when it's closing very fast. So this is our landlord garages. yeah, we stay at the backyard. So topinda panapa. And then of course I have my own gate. This is my small gate to my yard. You know what I mean? And then look at it when closing. Look at it. Closes so fast. But anyways, entered in my gate. Then there we go. Then there we go. Since I wanna repair the car, I'm not gonna park it there. Let me park it here. Because I park up next dinner, and you can see the water garage space up. And I was trying some experiment there. But yeah, we big it home right now. So yeah, let's take the stuff, man. Take the stuff. Oh, let me turn off the speaker. Guys, ndajega motor yangu ndazama kunama but I'm not saying that the glue was liquid instead of paste. And when it's so complicated to put more over. Man. I think I have no option than to ask the man. So yeah, the stuff that I mixed. You know my ask now. It's so useless now. The glue was so useless. I guess I just need to wait for the man. Kana mari abatana ndogasa mota because zvaramba now ndakufarira kuicheka inorapa zvaramba futi. Yes, stay tuned. So you guys, the following day now, I ordered the part is coming all the way from Pretoria. So the delivery guy called me and he said it's here. So I'm going to fetch it right now. So let's go and see. Oh, I don't know why Uber is pick a road Xero. It's going to get with one. Let me check it over there. Yes, switch away. So guys, there is the car there. Yes, the part going delivered by the car which is going there. Let's see if we can get it fixed. You know what I mean? So guys, now taking the car to East Seconds. I want to get that's not that far. Na makanika, so to East Seconds. Takayenda. Hopefully I won't have problems. So yeah man, let's go. So guys, moja rugadziro. Hopefully pata ite diki kana hombe. Because ndaide kutenga Pretoria uko. I just missed driving this car, man. So guys, varugadzira. Kisi makaniko yo. They're doing their job. So guys, I can see my car behind there. I'm leaving it behind. I guess so guys, don't go neither. Hey, this road is so noise, but I hope you can hear me. So guys, they had to check it out, and then they told me the car, they can't fix it today. I'm not going to pay that today, so they're gonna do it the whole night. I mean, like, I will come and collect it tomorrow around 11 a.m. So yeah, basically I just left it there. If you can see over there, just left it there, and they're working on it. Hopefully the car will be sorted. I'm really tired of walking, to be honest. So now I'm just walking to the butchery, get some relish, and then go home. You know what I mean? So let's go together. It's not that far though. It's a walkable distance. It's just near the shops, like the distance that you always walk every day when you are going to buy the meat. So I'm just walking to the shops, and then after that I'll walk straight home. Let's go. So guys, yeah, the shops. You know what I mean? Yeah, the shops, and I'm coming from that side. Look at the sunset. Kiss you. So guys, I'm shopping things on video. I'm gonna 479 saga this is. So I'm going to pay man there no die. Yes, bye. When I am 100 rand. Famba neshoka. So guys, ndikufamba ngeshoka. Ndatenga muriwo ndatenga nonzi chi. Ndatenga 1 kg yenyama, and then I didn't realize the shit, man. And I don't have fridge, so I then bought chicken. This is going for like 30 something rand. Well, I didn't want to come to my shops, and then I realized, but I'm fixing the car. So pani pasina need to say yakuita usinde. Pane ndotenga muriwo naso mangwana. Plus kuti ndaida tenga muriwo naso. Todya from mangwana, maskati or manheru. But then I then realized, but no need, man. Let me just buy one nasi and then we'll see tomorrow. Because we don't have a fridge yet. So buying muriwo in advance, it's not that like nice for us because it won't be fresh. You know what I mean? Anyways, guys, the vlog is ending here. I really guys, thank you for watching the vlog to the end. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more and more content. You know what I mean? Karen is not around. That's why you never saw her in this vlog. She's in Cape Town, but definitely she's coming ASAP as soon as possible. She got a clip. She got my videos. I can shoot her before I end up, and then hey, look at the sunset. She got my videos. I can shoot her before I end up. My clients are gonna get so nene. We're gonna post them on the next vlog. For my clips, and then yeah, man. And then I got a surprise for you guys. There's something which is coming again soon. I think I'm gonna drop the video on, I guess on Monday or Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken. So if you're watching this vlog, and the other thing is I can't drop this vlog till Premium Fame drop this vlog. So I'm just waiting for Premium Fame to drop their vlog first, and then I'll drop this one because I'll need us to leak the information. You feel me? So that's gonna delay a bit. I don't post this, so guys. Imagine guys, Nanado poster vlog is this, so today is Saturday. Nanado poster. You know what I mean? So guys, when I guys. Era babe. Abenga test nini? Ndarungwa mwari. Mwaba bandera gereo inondruma mbwa. It is. Today is Saturday. I don't know what you do drop a vlog read. I guess kuti musuna drop na premium. But if you have watched the video to the end, please make sure to write in the comment section W Premium. Yeah, W Premium in the comment section. Let's get it.